sorry, this big correction here. There should be a U here. It's it's a this U, this U here. Okay, please make correction here. It should be U, not T. U, and then U plus T. Okay, so B here be U plus T. Here should be U here. Should be U here. So there should be S of X U. Okay, so there should be S of X U here. So will be X U plus T minus UQX. That's UQX. Yes, UPX. Okay. Sorry about that. So there should be U here. Please make correction. U. Okay, so I can write is UPX here, UP sub X. So I can just figure out like same this one UPX. So be TX plus U minus 1. Okay. And also I can write is equal to UPX multiplied by TQX plus U. These two are same. This one is not correct. Sorry, I should be SU. Okay, sorry. Here's because it should be switch. I'm doing just the. Please rewrite this again. Just it should be. So it should be UPX minus U plus T PX. Sorry. So be UPX minus that UPX and the UPX multiplied by T PX plus U. So be UPX 1 minus U T PX plus U. So be UPX and there'll be TQX plus U. It actually looks a bit tedious, however, it makes a lot of sense because the probability. This probability here said this individual X, okay? So X is here. It survive at this to X plus U. Survive to at least X plus U. However, it's die between X plus U plus T. Okay? So it survives at least here. However, it's die between this period. So what does that mean? So it's equal to, I'm going to find the probability that the survival time is between x plus u and x plus u plus t. So which is the probability of that? Right? This probability is that the individual dies within u plus t year, and minus the individual die within u year. Okay, are we going to find this probability, right? So basically, using using this probability, subtract this probability. So I will have this problem. Okay. And on the other hand, you just need is equal to what? That individual x is survive at this u year. Minus the individual survive at this u plus t year. In subtraction these two probabilities. And this probability, this individual survives at this u plus t year is equal to the individual survive at this u year. Then it becomes s plus u, the age s plus u. Then it survive at this another t year. Okay? And look at this one. It means that's the individual x, age x, individual age x, survive at least u year, become x plus, so the age become x plus u, then die within t years. And that's the definition of that. So it makes a lot of sense. You don't need to actually just go through all the proof. However, it makes a lot of sense. 所以刚才这个几率的话，上就说这是什么？这个 X 岁的人活了 U 年，但是在另外 T 年就死掉了。所以相当于就说，我这 X 岁的人，好 X 岁年纪的人，他怎么样在 U 加 T 年死掉的几率减掉，在 U 年的，就是 U 加 T 年，有 U 加 T 年这样死掉，减掉在 U 年这样死掉几率上这一段，主要是什么？大概就是相当于就说，他存活至少 U 年，减掉存活至少 U plus T 年的几率相减。这个几率是什么 ？X 岁的人，他存活至少 X 加 T 年，意思就是说 X 岁的人，X 岁的人存活至少 U 加 T 年，这个几率相当于等于 X 岁的人至少存活 U 年，变 X 加 U 岁，那至少存活 T 年，这样继续相乘，所以这个东西就会变成是 X 岁的人至少活 U 年，他变 U X 加 U 岁，在 T 年内死掉，所以其实不用，就很容易就可以把它写出来，理解意思就可以用。Okay. So it's just not, I think the important thing is just try to understand what the notation means. And we start with the notation of S of X, survival function, and the CDF of T of X, survival time, probability of survival time. And we just transform into loss edge area rotation. Okay. Okay. Usually the mu x plus t is equal to, in the previous section, minus 1 s of st, and st multiply the s of xt dt. So I can imply the s of xt over dt is equal to what? Equal to minus mu s of xt and multiply mu x plus t. Therefore, what's that? Let's see the d dt, d over dt, tpx will be equal to minus tpx multiplied mu x plus t. In the second year. Sorry. Therefore, I can imply that so there are the two directions here. One is that Oh, this is the very confusing part for a lot of students. And it all start from this formula. Start from there. Okay. So I can just move around. So the s sub x of t over dt will be equal to this quantity. Okay, from there you can go to direction. Okay, because I can just replace this by these two are the same, right? S of x equal tpx, and so will be equal to that. And if I go this way, go from this way, equal to this will be the same thing we had before. But in the previously we used the s of xt. Okay, so we can write this d over dt. We take derivative for natural log of tpx by t is equal to minus mu x plus t. So I can imply what? Tpx equal to e to the power b minus of the integral from integral of mu x plus s ds, integrate from 0 to t. However, from this way, I can write it t to s h is equal to f of x, s of x of t will be equal to so be equal to what? Will be equal to that. Because I just move this here. I move this minus side to this side. So I can write TQS equal to SP sub x multiplied by mu sub x plus s ds integrated from 0 to t. Okay. I think that's the way. You just need to kind of memorize a little bit, but it all from here. So I would, this is very important, so please pay attention to. I would suggest you to go through the proof of this. One way would become tq sub x equal to this integral. The other one would be go to the other way. Tp sub x equal to e to the power of this thing. Okay? And rest of that we have we will talk about what t of x and there will be this notation, also the variance of t of x. And the other one will be that's the first one, that's the complete expectation of life. Also, we have term expectation of life, because the life insurance last time you have term, okay? So we have term insurance, term expectation of life, and there'll be notation will be this. You think of this, these two are also the continuous, but they are continuous. Okay. So there will be expectation of minimum of T of x and n. And you should be able to show that you'll be right. See. Let's see the TPX dt. You should be able to pull that. And this is actually equal to, it's kind of like if x is positive, little bit more, then similar to that. Okay. And it will be 2 d1 TPX dt minus EX0 to square. The expectation of life, this will be equal to, I can write it as the 0 to n TPX dx. Then the other one will be Kertet feature lifetime. Because for insurance we won't just report just the exact lifetime of an individual. We always just do it at the end of a year, calendar year or something. So there'll be like an integer value. So this one happened here. So we define this as E of x equal to expectation of K of x. And what's K of x? K of x is equal to floor function of T of x. Okay? What's floor function? And it will be summation k from 1 to infinity, kpx. And expectation of kx squared equal to 2 summation k from 1 to infinity, k multiplied kpx minus ex. This is kind of strange, but however, it's hard to find here. we also have a n year temporary current expectation of lifetime. Because we have terms of a year. Okay, so same thing, but here will be equal to see we have an infinity here, but we have n here. For term we have n here, we have infinity there. And this is equal to, we define this as the expectation of minimum of k of x and n. And okay, that's pretty much it. We start with, basically we want to find the mean and variance for the lifetime. Where complete expectation of lifetime. But we also have term, because we might also only just we give you the reimbursement in n years. Okay, so we term n year. So the upper limit become n. And also a current future lifetime, because we only count the integer year. Then there'll be that. Also, we have term. And definition for the term, we just take minimum. 所以这边算这个就是生存时间 lifetime T of x 它的期望值的比数。但是这是就是我都没有任何限制，算它就是用连续型的来算。那有时候你可能会只有 n 年的一个期限，所以这边就要取它最小值，看你先死，看这 individual 这个 x 人先死，或是 n 年先到，那就要取 minimum。好，所以它就是上这边的 n。那另外会有 current future lifetime， 因为你保险公司不会随时就是死了马上就给它做处理嘛，你总是要一个时间去理赔干嘛的，所以它就会有，这是整数年化，所以它就是就变离散型的，就是变成这个叫 k， 这个东西就 tx 取整数年就叫 k of x， 那 k of x 是等于这个东西，它就是把这个有没有取它整数年，所以是叫做地板函数 flow function， 那会有这样的性质，那就是说你是取整数年，但是有 n 年的期限，就变这样。OK。